ninth strategy of the top 10 must know, we have connect group. This strategy appeared in the PSLE in 2021 and 2023. In 2023's paper, there were 2 questions which could be solved using connect group. Let's look at one of the question now. Bag A contained twice as many pens as bag B. So we're going to write a ratio to represent this information. So A is to B is 2 unit is to 1 unit. And then next, for this 20%, remember that you have to change this to become a fraction. So we have 1/5. And we're going to write another ratio to represent this information. So red pens in bag A to others in bag A is 1 unit is to 4 units. And the total units for bag A is 5 units. For the next fraction, we have 1/3. So 1/3 of the pens were red pens. So we're going to write a similar ratio. So red in B is to the other types of pens in B to the total number of pens in B. The ratio is 1 unit and the total is 3 units. So the other types of pens will be 2 units. Since we know that A is twice of B, we're going to multiply the A and the B such that A's units will become twice of B's units. So we will start by making A and B the same. So I'm going to multiply this by 3 throughout and this one by 5. So this gives us 3 units is to 12 units is to 15 units. And this one will be 5 units to 10 units to 15 units. So now that A and B are equal, we have to multiply A by a 2 so that it will become twice of B. So again, we're going to do this throughout. So we have 6 units is to 24 units is to 30 units. So let's highlight the ratios that we'll be using to answer the question. This is the final ratio that we should be looking at. Okay, let's read what the question wants us to find. The question wants you to find what fraction of Sam's pens were red pens. So if we look at the red pens, we have 6 units and 5 units. So that makes a total of 11 units. Let's label this as red pens. To find the total number of units for Sam's pens, we can look at 30 units and 15 units. So by adding them together, we get 45 units. This will be the total pens. Now we can form the fraction, which is 11 out of 45. And 11 out of 45 is already the simplest form, so the answer to this question is 11 out of 45.